This glitch title intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the Motion Graphics template. Here template is installed. Place template on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, you can change the title from here. Font can be changed from here. Here you can change the scale and position of the title text. Change title color from here. Here you can change the tagline. Adjust the tagline position scale and tracking from here. Change glitch effect and lens flare color from here. This title intro doesn't have out animation. To make out animation, let's take a color matte. I am taking black color matte. Place it like that. Select the template and go to the Effects Control panel. Create a keyframe on opacity. Go to the end, change its opacity to 0%. This way you can create out animation. That's it. Thanks for watching.